Of them are no longer alive. I'm sure both families are hurt. Will you be reaching out to the Celes to talk about this at least? Of course, that will have to happen after the burial of Miss Cele and the burial of your son. Do you have any intentions to go to them and apologize for what your son did?
Yes, I can go there and apologize for the son, for what my son did. But the problem is that I don't know when they burying Sbusiso's wife, and me too. I haven't got any contact with them. So I saw yesterday that they were very angry. So if people are very angry, they can be dangerous even to you.
But is it not strange that you don't have the contacts of your in-laws? Because I understand that your son paid lobola, and surely somewhere, somehow, as a father-in-law or as, you know, relatives now, because of this relationship, you are supposed to be in contact.
Yes, I'm supposed to be. You know what? My son was making us to talk to each other. So we were using only Sbusiso's wife contact. So now I don't know for the family's numbers, you see. Yes.
Okay. Baba, siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. That is Mr. Nta. We can release you to go to a prayer session. Siyabonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho. That is the father of the late Mr. Sbusiso. That is Mr. Sipho Mtaka, who just spoke to us now. He will be joining a prayer service that is taking place inside that Rondaville house, where my colleague Bongamkize will try and show you. With that.